Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we are back for another episode of Phantom Forces with the Penguin. Penguin, what map are we in? Highway Lot. Penguin, can you get out of combat so I can help you? Whatever, I'm gonna join it. Spawn on me when you die.
I'm meeting on the team. No, I'm not now.
No, we're on the same team. Dude, we're on the same team, but I'm not at the top of the leaderboard anymore. I used to be. Nah! I have 1 death, 1 kill. Let's do this. You guys are new to my channel, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't never miss a video. Now let's get into this. Dun dun. If you guys want me to play a certain game, leave it in the comments. And I actually will seriously, if you leave your IGN in the comments down below, I will friend you. I just died again, Yuda. I have 2 for 2. This is not. I'm gonna have like with 40 for 40. Spawn on me. Spawn on me. Spawn on me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh. Got him. No! Dude, I just blocked it with a lightsaber again. What game? What is it? Deathmatch? Oh yes. Booyah. I don't know who that is. Say that again, Yuda. Huda, say that again. I have no clue what you just said. Honestly. Now I just died with the chosen one. Should have looked behind me. I saw a gun. I was like, it's probably one of my teammates. I forgot to look for the blue dot. Yes, got somebody. I have 7 for 3 deaths. You know, 7 kills, 3 deaths. Let's do this.
Nice. How much do I have?
No clue. Check for yourself. It's called the tab button.
Yeah, they're using the building. I know it's only using it, and I'm gonna get it. With a nice big couple grenades there. We need sneak grenades, and why the plan is to sneak it on.
Yes! Oh, Jesus! No! Why? Why? Why?
They're on top of that building. What? They're all on top of one building, you see.
Oh, come on! They sniped me instead of the other guy. I have 5 deaths, 8 kills. I cannot get another 5 kills. 5 deaths.
Yes, good job.
killed by a cabbage. Dude, I just got killed by a cabbage. The brat cabbage just killed me. Brat. Cabbage. Yes. Blow up, blow up, blow up. Oh, my thing blew up way too late. They're spawn camping. Gee. No, I should have just shot him without any scope. Phooey. Oh, come on! I just got assaulted. I have 9 deaths, 16 kills.
11, 12. There's 69 on the kills person I missed her. Oh no. OMG. Baby, dude. I think the scar hammer actually started it.
No! Got him. Yes, got him. Got him. Double collateral with a grenade, Yehuda. That means I killed them both at the exact same. It hit both of them. The bullet hit both.
she said they were going to put it in the box. And they put it in the hole. It's the first product to choose. Now, it's being that the thing that they're touching. Right? It's gay. Sometimes you say yes or no. Okay. You can't see someone like gay.
No! No! You and I have 10. I have 11 deaths now. No! I have 24 kills though.
15.
Are you kidding me? You actually have 15-15?
15 now. One less to enough. I got one down. So,
number 5, particularly on honesty, if you can't throw someone available.
No!
4, 5 low.
I have 12 deaths, 27 kills. You this guy killed me and my body's still there? That's really scary. It's still moving.
Oh, it's still moving. It's scary.
Okay, you. I need you to run over and take a solid for tonight, please.
Where?
Okay. You know the building on the corner of Mosquito and Elber? Where the you know we saw how to get to it? Yeah? Okay. So that's
No! You the 13th death.
You want to speak with Mrs. Berger? I think she is upstairs. And I want to stay on the left-hand side. So that's her.
Yehuda. Yehuda, how long will you be?
Yeah, you're right.
Yehuda, how long will you be?
No clue.
What? G. Yehuda, I just got flung up into the air. Escape or enter. G.
She was born in 91.
Yehuda, how long will you be? 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 How long will you be, Yehuda?
15, 20 minutes.
Okay. Call me back when you're back, Yehuda. Yehuda, call me back when you come back, okay?
Maybe.
Bye. Ah! See. Oh, come on.